Hello friends, I hope you have already seen 3 parts of the UPSC preliminary answer key which you have published today. Now we are going to the 4th part. This part would include questions largely related to geography. So let us start with the question number 31. So this is set B, question number 31. Consider the following statements. It is given: Zeelam river passes through Ullar lake, so the statement is correct. Secondly, Krishna river directly feeds Kolleru lake. So here the point is that water from Kolleru lake is only feeding Krishna, so it is given the vice versa, it is wrong. So the third statement which they are giving is meandering of the Gandak river formed Kanwar lake. The statement is correct because this article about Kanwar lake had appeared in the newspaper. It says about the decline of the water which is present in the Kanwar lake and drying up of the Kanwar lake and all. It is available, it was there given in the newspaper in the month of, I guess, February or something. So here two statements are correct. So question number 31, only 2 is the answer. Now let's go to the question number 32. Consider the following pairs. Ports they are given for well known for. Okay, Kamraj port is a very simple question. Kamraj port is the first major port in India registered as a company. That's also correct. Second statement, Mudra port, largest privately owned port in India. That also is correct. Now the Visakhapatnam port they have given largest container port in India. So this is not the largest container port. Jawaharlal Nehru port is the largest container port. So the third statement is wrong. So answer for question number 32 is 2 only. Only 2 pairs is correct. Answer is B. Now next question is 33. Here they have given 3 trees: jackfruit, mahua and teak. So the question is asked, how many of the above are deciduous trees? Okay, mahua and teak they are deciduous. So jackfruit is a evergreen forest. It is in the evergreen forest. So 33 only 2 pairs are correct. So 33 answer is B. Only 2 pairs are correct. Next we will go to question number 34. Consider the following statement. India has more arable land than China. Of course, China has more land area than India, but arable land India is having more. So the first statement is correct. Second statement, the proportion of irrigated area is more in India as compared to the China. That is correct. We have more area which is irrigated comparing to the China. Third statement, the average productivity per hectare in Indian agriculture is higher than that of China. No, that is not correct because China's average productivity per hectare is more. So here also answer is only 2 pairs are correct. 34 answer is B, only 2. 35, which of the following is the best example for the repeated fall in the sea level? This question is already discussed by the previous person who presented the video. So the answer is going to be B. So 36 question directly I am going. Ilmenite and rutile abundantly available in certain coastal tracts of India are rich sources of which of the following? Okay, they are found in the coastal areas. These two ores, one is in Gujarat, another is in West Bengal. So in both the places in the coast they are found. It is an ore of answer D. Titanium is answer. 36 answer is D. Next question number 37. About 3/4 of the world's cobalt, a metal required for the manufacturing of batteries for electric motor vehicles, is produced by one important country. Is there? Answer is C, which is DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo is answer. 37 answer is C. It was in the news because China had tried to acquire these resources. So let us go to the question number 38. Which of the following is a part of Congo basin? One answer is A, Cameroon. It is a very simple question. 38 answer is A. Next 39th question, there are 3 statements which are given. Consider the following statement. Amarkantak hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahyadri. Sahyadri is nothing but the western Ghats. So Amarkantak hills is not in the western side, it is in the eastern side. The first statement is wrong actually. Biligiri Rangan hills constitute the easternmost part of Satpura. This is also not correct. Satpura is in the north. This is in the border of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So the second statement is also wrong. Third statement, Sheshachalam hills constitute the southernmost part of Western Ghats. This is also wrong because it is in Andhra. So the answer is none. 39 the question answer is D, none. 40. With reference to India's project on the connectivity, consider the following statement. East-West corridor under Golden Quadrilateral project. This Golden Quadrilateral project is about, I think, close to 20 years back. It was planned during the time of the previous BJP government under Vajpayee. So this east-west corridor connects Dibrugarh and Surat. They have given no. It is Silchar to Porbandar. So these two cities are not included in that. So the statement is wrong. The second statement, trilateral highway connects Muria in Manipur and Chiang Mai in Thailand via Myanmar. So this statement seems correct, but the city which is called Chiang Mai is not a part of this trilateral highway. Okay, there is a different city which is given, but it is just nearby. So I think the statement is wrong. So the second statement is also wrong. Third statement, Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor connects Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh with Kumingham in China. So here it is not Varanasi, it is place Calcutta in West Bengal. So this statement is also wrong. So question number 40, answer is again none, D. So next we will go to question number 71. Consider the following countries: Bulgaria, Czech Republic, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Romania. How many of the above mentioned countries share a land border with Ukraine? We all know that definitely a question about Ukraine was supposed to come because of the war and something. We know that Latvia, Lithuania, these and are they are forming a boundary with Russia, but not a part of. They are northwest, okay, Scandinavian countries. They are south of the Scandinavian area. So Latvia, Lithuania is not connected to Ukraine at all. So 4 and 5 should not come. Bulgaria also should not come. Czech Republic also is not a part of it. The answer is going to be Hungary and Romania, 3 and 6. So 2 pairs. Okay, answer is A. So question number 71, answer is A, only 2. Next we will go to question number 72. With reference to Earth's atmosphere, which one of the following statement is correct? So that means 3 statements are wrong, 1 is correct. Any one statement is correct. The total amount of insolation received in the equator is roughly 10 times and all. This and all is not a correct fact. Second statement, infrared rays constitute roughly 2/3. No, that also is not a fact. Next, let us go to the fourth statement. You see, infrared waves are a part of visible spectrum. This also is not. So the answer, correct answer is going to be 72. Answer is C. Infrared waves are largely absorbed by the water vapor that is concentrated in the lower atmosphere. 72, answer is C. 73. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. The soil in the tropical rainforest is rich in nutrients. That is correct. Statement 2. The high temperature and moisture of the tropical rainforest cause dead organic matter in the soil to decompose quickly. So both the statements are correct. One explains the other. So 73, answer is A. As 74. Consider the following statement again. The temperature contrast between continent and the ocean is greater during the summer than the winter. That is correct. There is a greater temperature contrast, and the temperature contrast is also noted in the northern hemisphere because of the differential land and water. I hope you all know this. The second statement, the specific heat of water is more than that of land surface. Yeah, that is correct. So both explain each other. So answer is A. 74, answer is A. Next, we have 75. This is a question about the earthquake. Consider the following statement. In a seismograph, P waves are recorded earlier than the S waves. These are the earliest waves, P waves. First statement is correct. So here there is a conventional way. The UPSC has given one question at least in the conventional way. 1 only, 2 only, both, 1, neither 1 nor 2, this type of question. So first question is correct. So neither 1 nor 2, this is wrong. Okay. So here we see 2 only is also wrong. So answer either should be A or C. So the P waves, in P waves, the individual particles vibrate to and fro in the direction of the wave propagation, where in the S waves the particle vibrate. It is given in the opposite. Okay, P waves they do not go to and fro. It is in the perpendicular. So right angles. So the second statement is wrong. So answer is A, 1 only. 75 answer is A, 1 only. Next is 76. With reference to the coal based thermal power plants in India, consider the following statement. 3 statements were given. So the first statement is none of them uses sea water. Let us come to this point. None of them is set up in the water stressed district. None if it is coming, it is a danger, we all told. So this statement is not correct because the coal plants, some of them are present in the water stressed district also. None of them is privately owned. No, there are something which are privately owned also. The second statement, third statement is also wrong. None of them uses sea water. Actually, there is a proposal that the sea water should be sourced to use in the thermal power stations, but it is not put into practice as of now. So the answer is going to be none of them is used in the uses sea water. So this also is correct because right now it is not used, but its proportion is there. So the answer is going to be none. Okay, which are the following statements? How many of the above statements are correct? None of the statements are correct. So 76 answer is D. Next is 78 question. Consider the following activities. So the question, let us read from here. How many of the above activities are often considered and discussed for carbon capture and sequestration? Okay, discussed, considered and discussed. So these two points are very important. Consider and discuss. So spreading finely ground basalt rock on the farmlands extensively. Okay, up to I think without extensively this statement should be correct. If without extensively, because I doubt this extensively is having a danger here. Second, increasing the alkalinity of the ocean by adding lime. This is also discussed. Capturing carbon dioxide released by various industries and pumping into the absorbed subterranean. This is correct. Okay, so I think 2 chances are correct. So some people say that all the 3 statements are discussed, but I think extensively whether it is used, okay, that is a question mark. So I would go with only 2. So question number 78 answer is only 2. So we come to the end of this geography part. Stay tuned for the other parts also. Thank you.